After the gargantuan festive meals, we want to prepare easy and quick dishes. Tofu with salt, pepper and garlic is one of them. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the tofu into chunks. Mince the spring onion. You can put a hot chili. Finely mince it. Chop the garlic cloves. To prepare the dipping sauce, in a small bowl, combine a little of garlic, chili, spring onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar. Now we can start cooking. Fry the tofu in the oil heated over high heat. Use an oil that has already been used. The tofu pieces will get a beautiful golden color. Let them fry about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Then remove them. In another frying pan over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, put the garlic and regularly stir. When it begins to lightly brown, add the tofu, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of chosen cooking wine. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the spring onion and the chili. Stir for 15 seconds and cut the fire. Bon appétit! The scent of garlic and the pepper are fantastic with the tofu. The sauce completes the dish with its acidity and flavors. The small pieces of garlic and spring onion are delicious with rice. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.